Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to locate alarm events on our Viewtron security camera DVRs that were triggered by external sensors. So I'm going to be using this magnetic door and window sensor here, and I have that hardwired to the back of the Viewtron NVR. That NVR has all of our IP cameras here at the office recording to it. And I'm going to associate that magnetic door sensor with that particular security camera, the one that monitors our main sales floor here. And the idea is that anytime this door is open, we're using this as a door. Anytime that door is opened, the DVR bookmarks that event and triggers sensor recording on this particular camera. And then the user interface of the Viewtron NVR makes it extremely easy to go back and find all those sensor triggered events. There's a couple ways to do it, and I'm going to show you both of them. Let's take a look.
So here's the live security camera view on the Viewtron NVR that this IP camera is connected to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into the room here, and I'm going to grab this little box that I made that has the magnetic door and window sensor connected to it. And again, that's hardwired back to the NVR. And notice when I open the door, video recording is triggered. And you can see that that's annotated by the on-screen display there by that red dot. That means alarm sensor recording was triggered. So you also see in a couple seconds that red light will go out, and we're back to continuous recording, which is annotated in blue. So next, if I go into playback, this opens the recorded video player, and you'll see a timeline opens. And annotated on the timeline are all the different types of recording. So alarm sensor events are annotated in red, so you can easily jump to any alarm sensor recording event. And you'll also notice that motion detection events are annotated in yellow, and the continuous recording is annotated in blue. And I can use this timeline to just jump around to anywhere. And if I want to go full screen and get rid of the timeline, I could click that icon, and there's the full screen recording. This happens to be a 4K resolution Viewtron IP camera, so we're recording at 4K resolution right now. So the next thing I would do is I'm going to go back to the NVR and show you another way to find those events. So I'm back at the live view again, and if I go back to the menu and go to the search and backup screen, you'll notice at the top of the screen there's different ways to search. And if I click on by event, what that allows me to do is that allows me to select one or more of the cameras on this system and then select the specific type of event I want to search for. So in this case, I want to search for alarm sensor recording. So I'll just check that. And when I click search, it only shows me the sensor recording events. If I click this play button next to any of the event entries, it opens up this mini player that I could preview what happened. But if I want to play back full screen, I could check that box and click playback. And now I'm back at the full screen view video playback player. So when I'm done, I could click the X in the lower right. And then last, if I wanted to, I could also check off any of these events and click backup. I have a USB thumb drive inserted into the NVR, and I could conveniently back up any of these alarm sensor recording events to the USB thumb drive.
Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I want to mention some other information before we wrap up. So although I used a magnetic door sensor and I connected that to one of the alarm inputs on the Viewtron DVR here, you can connect any type of alarm device. So we've also tested like passive infrared motion detectors. If you want to set up like a panic push button, really any type of alarm that sends a open close signal, you can connect to these alarm input ports on the Viewtron NVR. And I have it set up just to trigger recording on this one particular camera. But if you want to associate a sensor with multiple cameras, you can trigger recording on multiple cameras as well. Guys, if you have any questions about alarm sensor integration with security camera systems with these Viewtron DVRs and NVRs, you can reach out to me anytime. I can be reached directly at mike@viewtron.com. If you want to learn more about integrating external alarm sensors with security camera systems, I have additional videos and little projects that I've done that I've documented. You can see all of them at www.viewtron.com/alarm. Thank you for watching.